loves, welcome back to my channel. So I'm getting ready to go to my cousin's baby shower, and I'm about to put on this wig that I got from RPGShow, and this is what she looks like. She's really pretty. It's not really showing the color because it's kind of dark in here even with my lights. Let's see, I don't know if you guys could tell, but she's like a brownish color, like a really pretty brown color, and it's still kind of wet, so it's a little darker than it would be if it was fully dry. But yeah, I'm about to put this unit on. This is what the hairline looks like. I did pluck it a little bit more, and I've already put my Lovely Bees leave-in and the Ledoux. Is it called Ledoux or the, not Ledoux, that's a club out here, y'all. It's called, or used to be a club out here. It's called the Dew Mousse. Let me get it. Okay, so these are the two products that I use, the Lovely Bees leave-in and then the Dew Mousse on this hair, so it's still a little bit damp. But yeah, I'm about to put this unit on, but I get questions about the ear tabs all the time, so I figured I would like make this ear tab focus. So that's what we're going to be focusing on today, but just have my hair in these two braids like always. I'm about to pin them up just using these little snap clips. My hair is getting kind of long, so I used to be able to just do it like this, but it gets weird now, so I just cross it in the back and then just do like this, and it keeps it flat. So I used to do it with bobby pins, but you know how one end is like up like this? That would either stick into my head or like it would be like sticking through the wig. These work just fine. So I'm not going to do the ball cap method, I don't think, just yet. I'm hoping I can just get away with this because I just don't feel like it. So this is what the inside looks like. You get so much parting space. I just did like a deep C part, but yeah, it also has the adjustable straps right here. I'm going to go ahead and remove this back piece of lace first. I'm getting hot already. And then I just want to try it on and just get a feel for it. See what it's looking like. Yeah, so it's like folding my ear down a little bit because of this piece right here. Both sides are like that. So for the ear tabs, it always comes with like this extra piece of lace before we even get into like shaping it to your own ear. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's like always this little corner right here that has no hair on it. It's just blank, and it just sits on top of your ear, and it's no point of cutting this off while it's on your head because sometimes you can accidentally cut the actual wig part right here, and you don't want to do that. So I always remove this part first, so that's what I'm about to do right now. I'm just going to go ahead and remove this section. It has like absolutely no hair on it, so I'm going to cut this off on both sides first, because that's really what's sitting on your ear for the most part. And then sometimes there's a little extra hair there, but a lot of times it's literally this extra piece it's just there. So I'm gonna hold it up and just remove that piece. It's nothing, a few hairs, like 2 hairs on it, but it's really nothing on there. And then it just gives you a straight across look right here. And then I'm going to do the same thing on this side. Same thing. So now we have it like this, and that extra piece is completely gone on both sides. Look at this lace, y'all. I swear I love their lace so much. Okay, so now we have it on, and you guys can see like it's still a little bit on my ear, but my ear is not bending or folded just because that one little piece is gone. RPGShow usually fits my hairline pretty decent. Like I never have to like really cut. Some wig companies, like it goes all the way down to my ear and I really have to like shape around it, but this one does pretty well. If you guys can see, it's just putting a little bit of pressure on my ear, a little bit. So I want to remove just like a slither of it now, and then you want to make sure you have your wig exactly where you want to place it. and then part out the little section that goes, like whatever part is pushing down on your ear, you're going to part that section out and you're going to go up at an angle. So I'm going to take my Petri Essentials comb, get the hair out, and I'm going to lay it and see which part is going up over my ear, and I'm just going to section that part out. You guys see, like it's like on top of my ear, and pin this up like that. I don't want all of this. I just want the part that's sitting on my ear. So literally just this slither right here. That's what I'm removing. And not even this part, not the sideburn part. We're actually gonna pull that part up and out. I just wanna curve just this part. So I'm gonna go to where it starts on the ear, not down here. I'm not gonna cut this off because I still need this for my sideburn. I'm gonna go right where the top of my ear starts, like, look at the mirror, like right here. This is where I'm gonna start cutting around the lace. Just like that, and then hold it out and remove it. And now when I pop my ear out, voila, no pressure. Ear is happy, not gonna be bent and folding right here. It looks really freaking good. Really good. So now I can do the same thing to this side, making sure the wig is where I need it. This side's not bad either. It's just, again, a little bit on my ear. So I'm gonna just section out the part that's on my ear. Like I'm gonna put my ear back in. And then you can see, like, I need all of this gone, because once this is gone, my ear will come back out. So following my ear, curving around it. Like that. Not removing the sideburn area. And then curving starting here around my ear. And then you guys see my ears right here. I'm not cutting this. I'm cutting from here around. So I'm actually leaving this little sideburn part. And I'm gonna cut behind it. Back, not too far. You're gonna feel it stop when you hit the actual like wig construction, and then you just snapping that little piece off. And then when I pop my ear out, no pressure. Ear is free and happy on both freaking sides. So now I'm gonna cut this off. I like cutting it off on the wig head. I don't like cutting it off on my head because I told you guys before I always cut my baby hairs off. So yeah, I'm going to cut this off and then I'll apply it. Okay, so I had to do a ball cap really quick. It's not my best. My edges are picking out a little bit, but I'm kind of in a rush now because I'm me and I be doing extra stuff. So now I'm gonna go ahead and put the unit on and then tack it down. There we go. Before my black hair was like peeking through, and yeah, was not looking cute. Okay, so now I gotta make sure that everything is under. The thing. Now I'm losing so much forehead. So then I like to take the little side pieces sometimes like this, especially when I'm doing the free spray, because I do it all at once. and just make sure my wig cap is all tucked under. These sides are down, and then I'm going to go in with this one today, the Insta Hold spray, and just spray the entire hairline.
I don't think we got enough time to sort out all the fights, to sort out all the lies. Oh baby, yeah. There was a part of me that knew that, and still I'm caught by surprise. I thought you'd always be mine. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, 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 down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. Yeah, we keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, 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 down. Yeah. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. I just thought I should let you know. Now, no, it's no more, no. I got so high on a low. That's when I loved you the most. Now I thought I should let you know. Now, no, it's no more, no. I really thought we had it covered. Was gonna patch up all the scars, but we smashed up all the parts. Oh, nah, nah, nah. Always knew that you were stubborn, but didn't know it'd be so hard to figure out who you really are. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, 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 down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. Yeah, we keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, 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 down. Yeah. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. I just thought I should let you know. Now, no, it's no more, no. I got so high on a low. That's when I loved you the most. Now I thought I should let you know. Now, no, it's no more, we're done now. No, it's no more, we're done now. No, it's no more, we're done now. No, it's no more, no, no. We're done now. No, it's no more, we're done now. No, it's no more, we're done now. No, it's no more, no, no. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, down, down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. We keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, down, down. Baby going down, 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 down. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time.
Okay, so I am all done, and this is what it looks like. The hair dried a little bit more. It's still a little damp, but the curls on this are so freaking pretty. But yeah, this is what I am working with. I didn't really do this side. I kind of skipped over this side because I knew that the hair was hanging right here, so it's a little crazy under here. But this side looks really, really good. I wish I would have got the ear tabs a little bit better, but because I rushed with that wig cap, the wig cap kept rolling up right here, so I ended up like slicing the wig cap right here and just like kind of slicking my sideburns back and pulling this on top of it. But yeah, other than that, my ears fit really good. They're not like weighed down or being pulled and tugged on. But yeah, this is what I am working with. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any other videos you want to see, any detailed videos, I know you guys asked me for another plugging video, which I have coming up soon. I'm just waiting on the wig. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next one.
I know it for sure. Just thought I should let you know. Now, no, it's no more, no. I got so high on a low. That's when I loved you the most. Now I thought I should let you know. Now, no, it's no more, no. We're done now. No, it's no more, we're done now. No, it's no more, we're done now. No, it's no more, no, no. We're done now. No, it's no more, we're done now. No, it's no more, we're done now. No, it's no